So Tina basically made the instruction memory for us, and inside, if you click inside the schematic, it shows like the instruction memory is basically ROM, because it is only read only. And so there is no write input, as you can see on the left, that allows the rewriting of bits in a word line. All it does is like basically store values in each of its bit lines, so that a constant value is always held at the output bit lines. So Professor made a NOR ROM, so it uses a pull-up resistor on top to act as a PMOS, and NMOS is on the bottom to basically just store the values that are needed. And then looking at the instruction memory module given, each cell that has a NMOS in it, so like this one, and this one, let's go down here, so like this one, and this one, each one of these cells with an NMOS in it is considered a low on the bit line. So every cell that doesn't have an NMOS in it is considered a high on the bit line. So the reason behind this is because when there is a high voltage applied to the word line, so like if you want to choose which instruction you want, this means that the data wants to be read from the ROM cell. So placing a transistor there, the word line provides a gate voltage to transistor. So like right here, it provides a gate voltage to transistor. And so it turns basically this transistor on and allows current to flow through the bit line. And so this allows for a large amount of current that causes a voltage drop across this resistor right here. So this bit line output is going to be low, so it's going to be close to zero if a transistor is present on that bit line and you're reading from word line 0, let's say. However, when no transistor is present, so let's say like at word line 0 at bit line 5, when no transistor is present, the instructions bit is a 1. This because there's nothing connected, there's no transistor turning it on due to an open circuit, and so the voltage read on the bit line should be VDD due to no current flow. And so the only way to change the instructions stored in such a memory scheme, such as this one, would be to change the circuit itself. So change the locations of the NMOS devices within the word line bit line grid. The given instruction memory module uses a MOS NOR ROM memory configuration where all word lines are high by default.